Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rodney Sound from Realty One Group Zoom, recording you live, from a sunset at River Island. So I'm inside a model home. The model I'm in right now is the largest one. It's called the Lila. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a walkthrough a couple model home that they have right now. So this is at River Island in Lathrop. So they offer, in the meantime, is 4 models. One would be calling Allensburg. Second is Quincy. Another one will be Roslyn. And the third one is the Lila. So if you have any question that you want to see, private tour, question that in terms of the acquiring of property, so feel free to contact me at any time, either through Facebook, through text, or through a regular email. Once again, my number is 209-539-2915, and the email will be rodsound, first name and last name combined, at yahoo.com. So with no further ado, I'm gonna have you look through whatever the video that I just shot through.
La primera, la segunda y la tercera. Esta no.
Okay, once again, this is Rodney Sound. I'm at the Poultry Home Model Homes, and this will be located in River Island. And once again, thank you for following me, and everybody have a nice day. Any question that need a private tour? Any question about acquiring a property? My number is 209-539-2915, and everybody have a blessing day. And today is Saturday, and enjoy.